Hi guys, how to download Counter-Strike in PC. Now, open your web browser, search for Steam, and go to the official website. Click Install Steam in the top right corner. Download the setup file and run it like any standard app. But here is the catch. Always double-check you are on the real Steam site to avoid fake downloads. Once Steam is installed, open the launcher. If you don't have a Steam account yet, just follow the on-screen prompts inside the launcher to create one. It takes less than 2 minutes and you'll need it to play anything. Inside the Steam launcher, click the Store tab, locate the search bar in the top right corner, and type in Counter-Strike. Keep watching because picking the wrong game is a common mistake here. Click on Counter-Strike 2 from the search results, scroll down the store page, and hit the Add to Library button. This step is free, so don't worry about a price tag. Navigate to the Library tab at the top of the screen. Select Counter-Strike 2 from your games list on the left, and click the blue Install button. Choose your installation folder, wait for the download to finish, and you are ready to play.